Gross here. Today we're going to be doing the vending machine hack.
Okay.
So first you need to put $2 in the machine. So we have to
Then you hold open the door so they start spazzing. Hold it open till it says home and live. It's gonna try to close it. Then I'll say home and live. Home and live. And then right when it says vend air and then refresh, you close it. Just keep enjoy, refreshing drink, and then you could shut this, and then put $2 more in. And then you want to pick a totally different selection. So we'll pick
Gatorades D6.
D6. Make sure you keep the product inside the machine when it gives out, and then press corner turn and give it a minute. It's going to start giving you all your money back.
Did it give you all $4 back?
Yeah.